Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
Hello people. Petrol there everywhere. Nobody won't buy petrol. Any problem?
Inside this video, my love for Alhaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu don't they increase. My love for Festus Okoye don't they increase. My love for Alhaji Professor Yakubu Mahmoud don't they increase. In fact, my love for Inec as a commission don't they increase. Hi, this administration is really working. Yes, and Inec has done a very good job. I beg, Mona, watch this video first. Mona, see why my love for these people don't they increase.
Have you been able to fully upload all the results from the presidential election on the IREV portal?
You cannot fully upload all the results because there were places where elections did not take place. And I'll give you an example. Before the election, we told Nigerians that elections will take place only in 176,606 polling units, as against the number of polling units we have in the country, because in some of those polling units, we do not have registered voters. So you don't expect results from the IREV for all these other polling units where we did not deploy. That is one. Secondly, in places where there were violent disruption of the elections, you don't expect results from those polling units. So I think that it is it will not be right to expect that the IREV will contain results from 176,606 polling units. That is far-fetched.
How many have you uploaded now so far?
Well, I don't have the figure of it, but the results, substantial number of the results are already on the IREV.
I mean, why did it take INEC that long to upload the result?
Well, as a lawyer, I'm going to be slightly circumspect and slightly careful in answering some of your questions because some of the issues relating to the issue of result upload, especially for the presidential election, is pending before the election petitions court, and the commission. I think on the 3rd of July, we opened its defense around the issue of result upload and the issues surrounding it. So if you permit me, I will just try as much as possible to avoid answering that question because it's one of the major issues before the election petitions court. And
why the discrepancy?
It's not a discrepancy. We explained to Nigerians that there were challenges with uploading the presidential election results, and I'm using the word challenges as a layman's way of trying to explain what happened. The commission said that there was a glitch in terms of uploading the presidential election results, but you know, and I've said it times without number, the uploading of the results of the election into the INEC result viewing portal was to build public trust and also for the public to follow what goes on within and around the election process. But as you know, and as I know, the law, the Electoral Act 2022, gives every registered political party the opportunity to nominate polling agents, or what in popular parlance we call party agents, to be its eyes within the various polling units. And most of the political parties did nominate their polling agents. In fact, 3 of the political parties nominated over 176,000 polling agents. One of them nominated around 134,000 polling agents. So what that means is that each political party had the primary evidence at the level of the polling unit of those results. So I find it slightly difficult to understand why almost all the political parties are relying only on results uploaded to the various polling units when they apply to the commission and the commission accredited over 176,000 polling agents for each political party.
But you made the promise that you were going to put it there.
Yes.
You were the one who said IREF is going to work.
Yes.
It's worked in Osun, it worked in Ondo, and you said, I mean Ekiti rather, and you said it's going to work. But you reneged on your promise.
No.
You failed on your promise.
No, nobody has said that it did not work. The result, you said it yourself, the results for the senatorial election was uploaded. That of the House of Representatives election was uploaded. Governorship election was uploaded. State Assembly elections were uploaded. And it is only in the uploading of the presidential election results that we had a glitch. And we explained to Nigerians that this was exactly what happened. So it is not...
No, you have not explained to Nigerians what happened.
We did.
No, what did you say happened?
We said there was a glitch in terms of uploading of the presidential election results.
What's the nature of the glitch?
You know...
was it an issue of network or hosts issues, or what exactly is it? Is it a hardware problem, or the domain where you had your server or your porter domicile that was the problem?
You see, if you drag me into a digital and technological issue, I will get lost because I am basically and fundamentally a lawyer. So, as far as I'm concerned, there were challenges with uploading of the presidential election results. That issue of uploading, whether it was a hardware issue, whether it was a software matter, is already before the presidential election petition court, and I will not go into that. Moreover, my knowledge of technology is very, very limited. So if you drag me into technological related issues, I will just get lost.
So this is it. It might not be your expertise.
Yes.
But because this is an engagement that you had with Nigeria, a promise you made to Nigerians, this is Inec, the destiny of Nigerians and the Nigerian people's hopes and aspiration about a process which they believe Inec was going to be transparent and come straight to them. So if there was somebody who was responsible who failed in his duties, or if it was a machine problem or it's a human error, what failed? Is it human or machine?
Well, as an individual, I will have an opportunity of understanding the intricacies of what happened the moment we begin our own internal review process, and also the moment we also begin the external review process.
So INEC does not know now what really happened.
I've told you what I know.
No, the point is, sir,
yes.
And I know, if they take light in this building right now, it could be a generator or from the source or solar. There are possible 3 ways by which we can generate power in this room right now. If they take light from the source, which is NEPA or PHCN, we put on our generator. If our solar fails, these are possible 3 ways. I'm not in that area, but I could tell you that power will be restored because our engineers are putting on the generator. So it could be that our engineer had gone to have dinner somewhere else, and that was why the gap of the minute in which they took light and we couldn't restore it. So that's what I'm asking. In layman terms, was it a human error or a machine error?
Well, all I know is that there was a glitch.
Shebiona, I don't see waiting on a brother faces Okoye they talk for interview. You see, with this video, with this interview where Festus Okoye was granted by Shøćk. First of all, Shøćk, I go buy you cow. Because the question where you ask Festus Okoye, now the real questions. And the answer where you give, it is not obvious to Nigeria, say, we go localize the word glitch, technical glitch in Nigeria local dictionary. Yes, technical glitch will mean confusion. Technical glitch will mean I don't know. Technical glitch will mean I'm a lawyer. Technical glitch will mean I have explained to Nigerians. Technical glitch will mean we are still at the tribunal. Technical glitch will mean all sorts of fraud. And technical glitch will mean all sorts of abomination. With this interview where Festus Okoye, was granted, it is now evident to me I don't need any other juju. You where they watch this video, you don't need any other juju, any babalawo, any pastor, any native doctor to tell you how and why they rigged the election. Why and how they rigged the election to the favor of APC. This interview, and this is one reason, and this is when I tell you that the dots are connecting. Since after the election, have you ever seen Professor Yakubu Mahmood grant public interview or press interview? Na lie, he doesn't do it. Because he knows what he has done to the Nigerian people. And the man can't carry Festus Okoye, come put for front. Confront the man, confront Festus Okoye. How are the mighty fallen? In this nation, political rascality must stop. Up to today, Inec does not have definition and explanation for technical glitch. You will see the rant for social media. You don't see them. Some of you now with the pity, now some of you now with the fight for. But on a no understand that. Suffer no the tire on her. Some of you have decided that poverty is your birthright, that God has created you to be poor. But yet, pastor go tell you, say, God has not made you to be poor.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want more to leave una comment for the comment section there. More una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.